How to create a YouTube video like a pro. Welcome, aspiring YouTuber. So you've figured out how to start a YouTube channel, and now you're ready to make your first YouTube video. Not sure how to make a YouTube video? We're here to help. Let's get started. 1. Do your research. Research your idea on YouTube by searching for keywords and phrases used by similar videos or by using marketing tools. Take note of the titles and thumbnail images they're using. 2. Script it. Once you've got a solid idea and a preliminary title, list the points, examples, and questions you want to cover in the video. Again, simplicity is the rule here. Viewers have short attention spans, so keep the number of main points to the minimum if you want viewers to remember them. Draft a rough script with an intro, your main points, and an outro. You need to include certain elements and have a working knowledge of engagement techniques. 3. Figure out your setup and style. Here are a few examples of video types and commonly used shots. Vlog. These candid conversational videos allow you to share your experiences and opinions. You can carry your camera around, or set it up on a tripod to have a shoulder-up view of you and speak directly to the camera. Bird's eye view. This is great for process videos. Mount your camera on a tripod and get a full view of the table you are working on. Screen videos. If your work is digital, you can record your screen and work from there. Combination. It's not uncommon for a YouTuber to switch back and forth between different types of shots in order to tell a full story. Find what works for you. 4. Invest in the right film equipment. Professional video equipment can be expensive, but the good news is that there is no need to spend tons of money on gear when you're just starting out. A webcam and smartphone are two easy, cheap ways to get started with YouTube video production. There are also a variety of video cameras you can choose from. If you are a beginner, you could download video assets from Envato provided it fit the context. 5. Editing your YouTube video. You will need editing software to put your YouTube video out into the world. iMovie or Windows Movie Maker are some of the best starter options, as they are easy to learn and free. However, there are many more options out there and plenty of online tutorials for each, along with roundups featuring YouTubers sharing what editing software they like using best. Depending on what kind of videos you're making, you may not even need a camera to make great YouTube videos. If you are into software tutorials, for example, you can simply record your screen as you are working and layer a recording of your voice over it. If you are talking to the camera or interviewing someone, you will need to add text or show photos relevant to the conversation. 6. Perfect your lighting. You want to capture whatever you're filming in the best light possible. Good lighting is the key to making your YouTube videos better. The easiest way to do this is to film in a room with natural sunlight coming through the window. Many YouTubers also use an affordable ring light. Standard ones come in at under $100, but there are many other options you can explore. 7. Perfect your audio. Make sure the room you're filming in is as quiet as possible. With today's technology, recording your first YouTube video with a smartphone or laptop's built-in mic is definitely an option, especially if you're doing a voiceover on top of soundless footage. If you want the freedom to film and speak to the camera outdoors, whether it's behind the scenes of street photography or vlog-style day in the life, there are lots of great mic options out there. 8. Get a quick thumbnail. For your thumbnail, select a chosen frame from your footage or intentionally shoot a bunch of different poses you think will look good. You might as well get exactly what you want while you've got your sweet lighting and everything set up. Also, make sure your thumbnail complements your title. You can even include your title in your thumbnail, to hook more visually minded viewers who may only be browsing thumbnails and not the titles underneath. As a YouTuber, you can get videos, music, graphic assets, and more all in one platform called Envato Elements. Envato Element includes over 740,000 stocks video clips, over 1 million still images, over 90,000 audio tracks, video templates, and much more. With a fee of $16.50 per month, you get unlimited downloads. Check out the link in the description section. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you have been able to learn one or two things. See you later.